love Aventura. How can I pick my favorite? I just can't. I can't pick my favorite. I mean, Universal, Lowe's Hotels, thumbs, 2 thumbs up. I would give you the other thumb, but I'm holding the camera with it. Y'all have some great resorts for great prices. So thank you. This is a standard room. When you first walk in, you have a full-length mirror. Is this beautiful modern vanity. I love the cleanness of it, how it's just white and pristine. Let me tell you about these hair dryers. These are the nicest hair dryers, guys, ever. Like, I like this better than my own hair dryer. Thanks, Universal and Lowe's Hotel, of course. Thank you for that hair dryer. This room has a shower. I'll have to ask if there's some rooms that have a bathtub. Very nice shower. And of course you got your shampoo and conditioners over here. And, oh, let me grab this. There will be no slamming of toilets at Aventura. Yeah, I like that. Anyway, here's where the towels were. This is so pretty. This little room divider. Here is your wardrobe. And ironing board, your luggage rack, and you get a good amount of hangers. Here's your thermostat, and they have lots and lots of outlets. Nice, love that with all the new rooms now, very nice. It's your flat screen TV, and here is my view. I didn't ask for any particular view, but I have a great view. I get to see Cabana Bay and Sapphire Falls, and way over there I can see the top of some rides. Can you see them? But anyway, I love all the Universal resorts. So this is I have stayed at all of them now, and Cabana Bay has been the one I've stayed at the most. Cabana Bay, don't worry, you still held a special part in my heart. I love you, Cabana Bay. And Sapphire Falls, you're amazing. Bed that was slept on with all the pillows. And over here, of course, there were some pillows over here. I love the fact that this room comes with a tablet and you can control everything from this tablet, guys. I usually have the hardest time figuring out the TV, but not with this. Because okay, yeah. You go here and I want to watch a little bit about Universal Resort because I don't know nothing about it. Oh, that's funny. I still like to watch these shows. And let's watch a little bit of NBC. Yes, I'd like this at my home. I want to control everything. You want to see about the lights? You need to turn a light on or off at night? Okay, they got you covered in that too. Tap lights. Okay, I'm gonna tap this one first. I love it. Okay, see the desk light? Oh, this little tablet. Okay, look, floor lamp. Is that the coolest thing ever? I love it. And then, you know what? If you want to chat with Universal, you can chat with Universal. I asked for a late checkout, and they were nice to accommodate me with that. Thank you. You want to find out about the dining? You just tap on here. It's just so cool. I love it. Let's check out the rest of the resort. Sometimes a pool day on vacation, it can be the very best day. I was gonna go to Universal today, but I know it's really crowded being 4th of July, so I decided to just hang out by the pool, and no regrets, 0 regrets. It's so nice. I got me some Philadelphia rolls. So good. I had it last night for dinner. I got it again today because it is delicious. And my drink is called Spritz. Very good. Let's check out the Universal Studios store at the Aventura Hotel. There are 3 different forms of transportation to all the Universal theme parks from Aventura Hotel. First of all, you can take a bus that's right outside of the hotel. You can also exit straight from the entrance of Aventura Hotel and walk across to Sapphire Falls and take the water taxi to City Walk, Islands of Adventure, and Universal Studios. To the right of the water taxi is a walkway that takes you to City Walk, Islands of Adventure, and Universal as well. This is probably a lot of times the quickest way to get there, but not if you're already extremely tired from all the walking you've done, so gotta keep that in mind. If you're wanting to go to Volcano Bay on your vacation, Aventura Hotel is a great place to stay for the convenience. Also, because all you gotta do is walk across the street to Cabana Bay and take the entrance from Cabana Bay to Volcano Bay, and you'll be happy. You'll be happy in every single way, and you'll be like, hip hip hooray, I don't have to take that bus today. I think this is my new favorite place to eat in Orlando, guys. This place is amazing. This view is unreal. I just can't believe I'm just discovering this place. It's so awesome. You gotta eat here at the top of Aventura Resort. You gotta eat this. So I ordered the cheese board. I got a drink called Once in a Million. Let me tell you, this view, this is more than a million right here. Look at this. Right behind where you check in, to your left is Starbucks. Yay! But I never saw it open because I guess I was just there the wrong time of day or something. But anyway, let's check out what we can get at the Urban Pantry. I hope you enjoyed this resort tour of Universal Orlando Resort's Aventura Hotel. I also have videos on visiting the theme parks, Islands of Adventure, Universal Studios, and Volcano Bay. And I have some other resort tours at Universal Studios as well. Endless Summer Dockside, Cabana Bay Standard Room and Volcano Bay View Room, and Sapphire Falls. If you've stayed at any of these resorts, let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And I also have lots of videos at the Walt Disney World resorts and resort tours there too. So if that's something that would help you in picking where to stay for your next
Disney vacation or Universal Studios vacation, I hope you subscribe to my channel, Orlando Girl 247 Jess. Bye everyone.